So I've been using Search Atlas for my client for about a month now. And I have to say, I'm pretty impressed with what the Search Atlas team has put together here. Really nice tool. Let's go over to projects and start from the top here. So I have this one right here, All Day Electric Sarasota. And when you click on it, you'll have this nice little dashboard. It'll say your auto grader, 73 out of 100. We really want this to be up to 100. This is a nice little breakdown, content authority technicals and user experience signals, and auto claims that it saved me $16,000. Auto is turned on, and I have a key that's set up on the website, and that's how Search Atlas controls everything that's happening on the website. So if we were to make a change here to say, hey, go ahead and create an alt text, for example, which is just the words that explain what a picture is on a website, then Auto can do that for me with just one click. And so let me show you how. Over here on the right, tasks for this week, 14 completed out of 22. And so we're going to complete these other ones, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. So you go over to page title, go ahead and click what the problems are. It's already identified all of the issues. It said your original title looks like this, which means it's too long and it's recommended to be 60 characters or less. So what you can do is write your own title, or you can simply ask AI to generate it. And AI generates a nice little title right under the character requirement. And so all I have to do is deploy that particular title. The reason these are here in the first place is because I have pre-built 30 blogs and scheduled them, and then high level just publish it to the website. So I know I can also do this in some bulk fashion as well. Let's figure that out real quick. Here, view all. I don't want to deploy all necessarily. I want to, don't get me wrong, this is pretty easy. You're just clicking and solving the problem, but it can get a little tedious when you have hundreds to do. Okay, on the top ones, it worked just fine. On some of these bottom ones over here, it's getting stuck. It does it for a second and then stops. So I'm not entirely sure what's going on there. And I certainly don't want to click through thousands of these. So let's go find a better way. So I did find a better way. If you come over to auto and audit, and then you go over to auto settings, you can see that I have 1,000 quota. And so every 7 days, this will run up to using 1,000 credits. And so what I did for each section here, I broke it down into 100 total credits that I can use to accomplish these different tasks. And so I added all of these manually, 100 each plus the 200 down here equals 1,000. And now if I update setting, that will set that to happen automatically every single 7 days. So now let's come over to Google Business Profile. And you can see that I have 72 here, 13 average rating. It's not that good. It's still the second page of Google. So we're going to continue to move this forward. We are ranking for 6 keywords that we're hoping for. And we do have 18 reviews that are all 5 stars. And a lot of folks don't know that on Google, you can post regularly, just like a social media site. So I have every single day a post going to Google Business Profile. And if I click on this, it'll take me into the local SEO for this particular business. So we want to know how is it ranking amongst its peers locally. And so if I click on one of these, for example, All Day Electrician, I'm currently ranking like this. So up here around downtown, it's ranked 1. Down here in Honore, it's ranked 5. And so what we need to do is for that keyword, do more search engine optimization, put that into blogs, for example, and online posts to boost these numbers up as well. And this is a nice little report you can pull out, get PDF that you can send to your client regularly so they can track your progress as well. And the other thing that I like is content. If you come over here and under topical maps, this is really clever. If you want to rank, for example, top electrician in Sarasota is what we're going for, you can create that overall category and it will create this nice little waterfall chart, top electrician in Sarasota, and then subcategory, emergency electrical services, and then keyword, emergency electrician services, Sarasota. And then for that particular keyword, it'll say you need to build these 6 blogs with these particular titles. And if you have a WordPress site, you can basically hit one button and it'll automatically post to WordPress. But I have a high-level site here, and currently Search Atlas is not compatible with high-level. So what I have to do is manually create these blogs. AI is going to create the blogs, but then manually schedule them in high-level one by one. And what I do is every 30 days, I'll come in, create 30 blogs, create the images for them, schedule them, put the keywords all the way out. It takes me about an hour to do all 30, and then hit go. And that way for the next month, I don't have to worry about creating blogs. They just keep coming out one by one. If you want to try your hand at doing this yourself, instead of just watching, You can use my high-level affiliate link in the description below. If you use that, you get an extended 30-day high-level trial, hundreds of pre-built AI agents, access to my Skool community, 40+ business and marketing courses that I've built. You'll have all of my website template that you've seen me create, workflows, and snapshots. I'll even hop on a live Zoom call with you twice a week to help guide you and build your business with you. You'll have a direct line to me and also a chance to join my agency and run some of these businesses that I have, as well as take on my client. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.